The G-Wolf's Hati Stardust is a very good mouse, with very handy features. But is it worth the price? Let's find out. In the box, you get some neat stuff. The mouse comes in really nice packaging, and inside the tin, you really do get that premium experience feeling. You get side grips, a brush, a replacement cable, and additional mouse gates. These are all not really necessary, but it's super nice to have. I used those mouse grips for months. I only recently took them off. And they're very comfortable, by the way. And they feel really nice. Now, without the side grips, it is worth mentioning that there are holes on the side of the mouse. Personally, I don't mind, but for a few people, it's a no-go. Speaking of holes, they're on the side, top, and bottom of the mouse. Obviously, this is to cut down weight, but it is cool also to see all the wired electronics inside. That might just be me though. Thanks to all the holes, the mouse is only 56 grams. The scroll wheel feels really good, and so do the clicks, even though there's a bit more post-travel than I'd like. Same with the side buttons. The DPI and side buttons are white, and the mouse itself looks super cool. The whole Stardust theme is totally there, and G-Wolves did a great job with that. Last few things, it uses a PMW3360 sensor, has 100% PTFE mouse gates, and decent build quality. By the way, don't press too hard in the bottom of the mouse, it's kind of flexible. Speaking of flexible, the cable is too. Now, is this mouse worth $80? I think if you really like the design, go for it. Otherwise, just get a regular Hati. I did an unboxing on this mouse, go check that out, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.